Hello fellow drawers, hola amigos. Today we're going to draw Owlet from PJ Masks. Como dibujar Owlet from PJ Masks. This video is for both children and adults, so if you love to draw, stay tuned. You will need 4 supplies before we get started. Some paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a pen or a marker. I recommend starting with some warm-up exercises. You can start with some vertical lines, horizontal lines, counterclockwise circles, clockwise circles, triangles, squares, anything to warm up your hand to get you ready for drawing. Mi español no es bueno. So if you don't want to listen to me speaking in English, you can just mute your speakers and just follow along. Puede silenciar su altavices y seguir mientras dibujo. Hi guys, Charles Wander here again, and today we're going to draw Owlet from PJ Masks. So first, I'm going to start, like I usually do, with my pencil, just drawing a rough circle for the head. Now Owlet has like these owl things that come out of the top of her head, kind of like this. So I'll do like a little bit of a triangle. In fact, let me put a dot here and draw a curve like this. Curve like this. Now if I go too fast for you, feel free to pause the video, and then when you catch up, you can hit play again. You don't have to play the whole thing in real time. But I'm going to try to go relatively fast. I don't want the video to be boring. So I'm going to go a little bit faster than I normally would. This video is for my buddy Miles, who is the biggest Catboy fan in the whole world. There's like a double line here. So let's draw another line and another line up here. Now we need to draw big eyes. So the cheek, the bottom part of the eye by the cheek, we'll kind of draw like this. Then we'll do a big curve. This part of her eyes at the top is going to look kind of like an owl. And then like this, same thing over here. Make this part come up a little bit like an owl. And curve that down. Now we're going to draw a big circle for the pupils. Then another circle within the circle, within the circle, and then there's going to be a little white circle here. Okay. I want to try not to go too dark with the pencil, because if you go too dark with the pencil, then it becomes hard to erase later. All right, now the mask. The mask comes around her face, kind of like an oval kind of heart shape, a little bit of a smile, and a nose, something like that. We'll bring this down over here on this side. All right, but that's pretty close. Now her neck is gonna go, so her chin comes down, and she's gonna have a little bit of a neck here, and a little curve there. I think that's for the collar of her shirt. Then arm goes out, doing like a spreading her wings type pose. Okay. Then lines on the inside for her sides, then her knees come down, and then we're gonna put her foot at the bottom of the picture. I'm running out of paper here, so I don't want to cut off her foot. I think I quite got that right, but close enough for rock and roll. Put another foot, and they're going to do a curve here for another foot here. And draw. And everybody has 2 parts of their legs, so see, you've got the upper part of your leg goes this way, and then your knee bends, and then you have the bottom part. So same thing over here. We're drawing this to be the first part of her leg, and then the knee, and then the bottom part of her leg before it gets to her foot, like that. Now her arm comes out like this for a thumb, and her fingers arm comes out like this for the thumb and her fingers. And then she has a little owl on her chest like this. Cuckoo, cuckoo. That's the sound an owl makes. Cuckoo, cuckoo. You didn't know you were going to learn what sound an owl makes on a drawing video, did you? But now you did. Or does the owl say, hoo, hoo? Because the owl always wants to know who's there. Hoo, hoo. We're going to color it in with our Sharpie. So the thickest lines here, there's going to be a really thick line that goes like this. It comes up. Really thick line that goes like this and comes up. And then the top part of her eyebrows, kind of, her eyelashes, whatever that is, it kind of looks like owl's feathers sticking out. Now, I'm really starting to run out of ink on my Sharpie here. Time to get a new Sharpie, guys. Alright, connect the eyes. Now we'll do the big circle, and we'll do the little circle, and we'll leave this one part white. Big circle, and little circle. Leave this one part white. We'll do the other line of this. And then connect that. Then we'll come down, do like a feather, like another feather, and then down the bottom of the chin. Come over here, do like a feather, and then another feather. And come down to the bottom, connecting it at the bottom. Now we kind of do a little bit of the heart-shaped mask. Comes around. Kind of a sinister smile. Is she smiling because she's happy or she's fighting crime? I'm not sure. All right, now the last step, erasing the pencil lines that we don't want. All right, guys, there you have it. There's our finished drawing of Owlette from PJ Masks. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to see future videos. I had fun today, I hope you did too, and hope to see you next time. Enjoy free coloring activities by downloading our coloring book at drawwithcharles.com. And check out our children's book, Dallas Do Good Goes Swimming, now available in English and Espanol. For more information, visit dallasdogood.com.